we start with the class, let us pray. Most Exalted Father, Lord, thank you so much, Lord, for giving us, enlightening us this morning in our class. I hope we learn a lot in this lesson. Thank you, Lord, for answering and for listening. Amen. Okay, good morning, students. Welcome to our class today. Since this is our normal, new normal, so I will record this lesson for you to for us to start our class discussion today. So our topic this morning is about Kick the Takraw. So who you here seen this game or have you been watch an acrobatic stunts? So takraw is like they are look like the same with the gymnast. So there are stunts. So the objectives of this class is to briefly discuss the history of the game and then you will enumerate and describe the equipment and draw and then you draw the playing court and then the its parts. And lastly is to execute all the skills of the game. And then last is enjoy and appreciate the activity and the game. So again, what is Sepak Takraw? So Sepak Takraw, it is played on a court with a net that divides the court into two equal halves. So the teams are composed of 3 members, or they are called Tikong, Apit Kiri, and Apit Kanan. So again, the teams are composed of 3. So they are called. The first is the Tikong, and then the Apit Kiri and the Apit Kanan. So, what is the history? So, the history of this is in the 15th century, a game known as Sepak Raga. So, in the 15th century, they call this game Sepak Raga. Was first played in Malacca. So, in 1945, a net jaring was used and the game was called Sepak Jaring. So, in 1945, they call this game Jaring. So, and then in 1965, it was organized. Rules were formulated by Malaysia, and then Singapore, Laos, and Thailand, and Indonesia, thus changing its name to Sepak Takraw. So after these years, and then until 1965, they called all these places like Malaysia, Singapore, Laos, and Thailand, and Indonesia, they call this in the year 1965. They call this Sepak Takraw. So in 1981, the game was introduced to Tuguegarao, so in the Philippines, followed by a seminar clinic in the same year. So in the Philippines, in 1981, they have a clinic, so they have a court. Then they played this game in the Philippines. So again, in the 5th century, they call this Sepak Raga. And then in 1945, they call the game Sepak Jaring. Then after 1945 and 1965, so this in Singapore, they call this game Sepak Takraw, and then introduced to the Tuguegarao here in the Tuguegarao here in the Philippines to call this game Sepak Takraw. So next year is the court. So what do you need? What do you need in playing Sepak Takraw? So the first is the court. So as you see in this picture and in this art, the service circle is here, and then the one and the one who will serve the ball to the service, the one who will spike the ball. So the measure is from here to this circle is about 305 meters. So the kanapuan sa court is the quarter circle or the whole one is 6 point. The wide part of the court is 13.4 meter, and then ang kataas is 13.4 meter, and then sa wide ang sa halapan niya is about 6.1 meter. And then here in the inside court, about the serving area is about this line. And the quarter circle is 0.9 meter radius. So, and then from here, ang kataasan sa net is 1.52 meters. So, dali lang siya from here. Ilagay sa taas sa net sa takraw. So, the post is 1.5 meters for women. The height from the floor. So, the net, then the next is the net. Top of the net shall be 1.52 meters and 1.42 for women in height from the center, and 1.5 meter and 1.45 at the post. So the next equipment you need in the court is the ball. So this is the ball, and it made with one moving layer having 12 hooks. So one is 12 holes, mga buslot. And then with 20 intersections, circumference shall not be less than 0.1, not more than 0.44 meters. So this is the and the weight, and for the size of the women in the ball of the takraw is 0.45. For the boys is 0.43. So the weight of the ball is 170 kilograms grams to 180 grams. And also for women is 150 grams to 160 grams for women. So this is for men, 170 to 180. So again, this is the court, and then the length of the court is about 13.4 meter, and then the width is 6.1 meters. And then the quarter circle, the radius is 0.9 radius. Also here is 1. And the net from outside line or stepping line is 1/2 court is 6.7 meters from this line and then the net or the post. So next, our fundamental skills needed to play in Sepak Takraw. So the first one is in step kick. A kick using foot for spiking and serving. So for example, like this. Obviously in the picture, this is the instant kick. So for example, like this. So like this is instant kick. When you serve or spiking, so goes to the. So next is outside kick. So the outside kick, as you see in the picture, is a kick using the outside foot. So first you use inside kick, and then next is the outside kick. Again, the outside kick is so this is the outside kick. And the next knee kick or the ACS kick using knees. So muna sa pinakasabi mo, use your knees. So this is the knee kick. And the fourth is the toe kick. Defense kick using toe. So example is toe. So that is the toe kick. So this is the toe kick using your toe. Defense kick or using a kick using toe. So this is defensive. So last is the header. The header. And then controls the ball using the forehead near the hairline. So for example like this. So that is the header. So for this fundamental skills, so let's let's do all the fundamental skills. So first is the inside kick, and then the outside kick, and then the knees kick, and then the toe kick. And for the last is the header. So that's it. Okay, for our activity, you will do this in your home, your respected house, to record this video about receive drill and service drill. So the first, you will do this in 5 times. So the first is service drill. So how you will serve. Okay. So this is service drill. When you serve, it's depend on kung sa dominant foot sa yung reserve isa. So first, that is reserve drill, service drill. So the next is the receive drill. So this is how the receive drill goes. That is the receive drill. So you will do that in 5 times. So that's all for this morning. I hope you learned something in the lesson. God bless you. For our closing prayer, shall we all stand again and shall we pray, or shall we bow down our heads as we pray today? Father Lord, thank you so much, Lord, for